Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm unboxing 310 Nutrition. I have to apologize to them as they had sent me this complimentary box like a month ago, maybe more than a month ago. I hope not. But between my mom and myself, I just didn't have a chance to unbox it because I wanted to give my full attention to it and I wanted to try the product. So please forgive me over at 310. This is a meal supplement, vitamins, helps you get on track to lead a healthier life box. And I do have troubles. I don't eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner like I should. I don't get my share of vitamins. I do take vitamins, but I'm sure I'm missing an A, a B, a C, or a D somewhere in there. So when they reached out and asked me if I would unbox this on my channel, I checked them out, I got back to them, and I said absolutely. So they send you a starter kit. And in that starter kit, they send you these supplements, and you stick one under your tongue till it melts, and it's like for your hair, your nails, and vitamins. And they send you a 30-day supply, and I haven't taken it yet, but I will. And that has a value of like $30. And I buy these all the time, so I know that's a true price. Then they send you the shaker. And I took it out of the packaging and I washed it so that I'll be able to use it. And it's got the lid on here so you can drink out of it. And then you open it up and it's got the little things to help blend it in there. So you'll put your 8 ounces of fluid and your supplement and you just shake it. Hopefully not to be all over the place because that's what I'm afraid of. Then, let's see if they have the prices in there. So, they don't, I think it's $40 for the kit and then another $10. But what's great is the prices to actually purchase this off of retail, it's not bad. So you can buy this for the month, keep on going, and it doesn't break the bank. And the best part is the flavors. They send you toasted coconut, vanilla, salted caramel, which would be my first choice, and then chocolate. You can go on to Amazon or their website and you can buy a variety pack. And if you join the 310 Nutrition Club, not only can you save like 25%, you can also, they have a support group. So if you're doing this to diet and lose like 25, 40 pounds, they have a support group that will help you stay on track and help you lose that weight. So how awesome is that? And as I said, the flavors are great. Now they have a pink lemonade. And I'm a huge lemonade drinker. So they have a pink lemonade flavor that you can put in your water, load it up with ice cubes, and pretend you're on vacay. Hello. And I looked up on my phone just for like nutrients and stuff. And where did I find it? It's like, it's gluten-free, it's sugar-free, it doesn't have all that nasty stuff in there. I'm sure you can get it for vegan, so it's really awesome. And it said you can go to their website and you can look up all their products. They have like the little nutrition bars, so you can really make this work for you. And I'm going to show you how it works. So you just take your cup. Oh, I forgot something. Then they include these to put into your water, and I think these go in like 8 ounces of water. So, you know, you're supposed to have, I don't know, 4, 6, 8 ounces of water a day. Easy to do in Arizona because of the heat. But they have lemon lime flavored, and they included a peach mango and a strawberry. So I am gonna order, after I finish this video, my pink lemonade and some more of the packets. Because again, I'm not a huge breakfast, lunch person. I do dinner, but just to supplement. And you can, she sent me a recipe. You can use almond milk and bananas and a chocolate flavor and just put it in your blender. And since I don't work away from the home, it's easy for me just to stick all that stuff in the morning. I bought some frozen fruit so that I can make them with frozen fruit. So that's why I just wanted to put 100% into using this product. So without further ado, I got my shaker, and they did send the guide, and you can get reward points. So if you keep going with this, you get all sorts of reward points so that you can buy products. But just look at the different things that you can make by using this. And as I said, they have inspiration, clean eating. So if you really need that kick in the pants like I do, this could be the way for you to go. So hold on 1 minute and I'm gonna put this together. Okay, so what I did was I put in 8 ounces of water, and I used the coconut. And I have it on the top, and then I'm closing the top. And I can this a disaster for me, only for me. And I'm putting, it snapped, so it should be good. And I made sure this was tight because now we're gonna shake, shake, shake. This is the only part that scares me. And I put the little thing in there. You don't know how afraid I am of shaking this. And you just shake it for, I don't know, about a minute or so. And you make sure it's all blended in there. So I'm going to do this. And I know there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube. And I'm afraid this probably isn't dishwasher safe, so this will be a hand wash item for me. And it looks nice and creamy and foamy. As I said, if it wasn't for the noise, I would have put it in a blender with the banana. And they do recommend maybe almond milk or something healthier, but nah. So it looks pretty blended. And what I did, of course, now I'm able to get the cap open. And I do have to thank 310 again. As I said, you can get this on Amazon. I will leave a link below. I also have a discount. If you purchase from them, you can get $10 off. I think it's with the $30 order, you get $10 off. And I brought a straw so I can just stick it in there between the holes and wait for it. That's good. It definitely tastes like coconut. I know coconut's kind of an acquired taste. It tastes good. That is really good. I probably could have shaken it up a little bit more, but I'll definitely finish this. So it's got the name on there. So let me know what you thought of this product. As I said, I will definitely use these because I use this type of thing all the time. And I'm going to order my lemonade because I can sit out by the hot tub and definitely drink that all day. So don't forget, I have some giveaways going on. Those will be linked below. I'll have the link for 310 below with the discount code. And this is definitely something that could get you on board for a healthier you. So thank you so much for watching. And again, 310, thank you so much for your patience. And you guys have an awesome weekend.